Alright, in this video, we're going to go over the G scale for guitarron. In the previous video, you should have already have an idea of the notes. Really quick, your jalón again, your jalón is going to be just, you want a nice little pull, you don't want to go exaggeratedly up. Alright, so here we go, starting with the G scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then backwards. Then E, D, C, B. Alright, and again, when you play each note, you want each note to have the same volume. Alright, now the next part, we're going to go over the primer vals scale. So it's going to be D, E, F sharp, G, you skip F, so it's going to be G, E, D, C, B, A, G. Sort of like the scale, just missing F sharp. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then G, and again it's